Hey guys, welcome back to Little Secrets. I'm Aishwarya and today I'll be sharing with you my review on the Glamego Box. So, talking about Glamego is India's #1 subscription box. The best part about Glamego is that the products which are actually at the range of 500 or 600 per piece, you get it for only a few bucks, products which are for 2,500. All the 4 products, they can be in your hand at just rupees 300. That's 299, and that is the best part of it, because not all of us can afford this kind of makeup and skincare products. So I basically think that this is a very good initiative by Glamego and you should really try it out, because when you need to buy a few things and you have to look at the budget you have, and you cannot buy a few things just because of the kind of money you don't have. You don't have to waste a lot of it on it, and you could choose from Glamego what you really want in your next subscription box. And they have actually very good rates regarding the subscription boxes they make. So how it really works is that you choose a plan first, like if you want it for a month, 3 months, 6 months or 12 months, and then you get a combination of full-size beauty products and deluxe samples from luxury brands delivered at your doorstep every month. These are not just sample products or pouches or packets that you get full-sized products in your hand, and they are also from luxury brands. They are not just from brands which are taken up from the streets or something like that. They are luxury brands that you really will want to put your hands on. When they send you a product, they also send you vouchers where you can buy more of their product at discounted rates. So that is pretty good. And what you can do next is you can stay connected so that you can get the best offers whenever they release it. So whenever you go on their page, they always have these plan that you need to start for your next month or the month that is in there. So they generally give you the products, if you choose early, or if you subscribe to them, they mostly try to give you the products by a week or something. So you need to select a subscription plan. 1 month is for $399, 3 months is for $329, 6 months is for $299, and 12 months is for $289. Every single box you get 4 products, and you can choose 2 products from it, and the 2 products are given. You have the power to choose what they really have in the stock, and then you get full-size products. So you don't need to only wait for samples or something and then say these are too small, and then I will have to buy a bigger one, and they'll be very pricey. So they give you full-sized bottles and full-sized things, and they are from luxury brands. They are not from the street brands. They are not from anywhere just picked up. They are from brands which are recognized by the beauty world and the skincare world. Since Glamego offers you very easy steps, and you can pay by your credit card, debit card, or you can either do Paytm, I guess, and it has really very simple payment options as well, and you don't need to pay that much. If you don't want to check out Glamego completely for 3 months, 6 months or 12 months, you can go for a 1-month pack, and plus you will get products of 2,300 or something in $399 or $299. So what is the harm of checking them out? It is so affordable that people won't even mind getting their hands on one of these brands also. So it comes, let's start the review. So basically it comes in their packaging box, Glamego is written all over it, and it is so cool. So next, when we open this up, this comes with another box, and this is the February edition. So This is a February edition box, and it's pretty cool actually, with white and red letterings and Glamego written here. It's actually a pretty cool box. So when we open it up, it looks something like this. And you know what I really love about Glamego's packaging is that, you know, it has something which is every time very organic, you know, like very natural. Like, it's not filled with plastics and bubble wraps or anything. All it's filled with is this, you know, wood shavings, I guess. So this box originally costs about 2,500, like approximately around that much. So coming to the products. Now the first product that is written is the Caffeine Choco face pack. So it is something like this. It's written Caffeine Choco Caffeine Glow Face Pack with argan oil and vitamin E, clay based for oily skin. Since we have oily skin, this pack might help us. Talking about the texture, this is the thing. It's kind of a chocolatish grayish color. I think that you cannot see the proper color of it right now. I guess it's looking gray to you, but you know, it has a bit of a brownish tinge. Coming back to the smell of the product now. Oh my god, this smells heavenly. Like, it's like coffee mixed with chocolate, I would say. Like, this smells so good. Like, this smells like the best thing I've ever like had on the planet. Next is the Kronokare Pollution Stop Face protective screen. So it says that it is a Polystop face, a protective screen against pollution for face for all skin types. It is an invisible shield against pollution nanoparticles that protects, nourishes and soothes the skin. It is free of sulfate, mineral oil, paraben, fragrance and silicone. Now the best part that I like about Glamego is that whatever products that it gives for skincare, all of them are completely natural and they are chemical free. So you know, you don't harm your skin. It is good for sensitive as well as normal or dry or oily or any kind of, you know, skin type that you have. So thumbs up for that. So what you have to do with this spray is spray directly over the face before your daily cream or on the top of it. Apply on clean and dry skin. Massage over the face for a better penetration of the protective film. Repeat during the day if required. In the case, at first clean the skin with our face toner in order to remove the dirt accumulated above the polystop screen. Can be worn under makeup or can be sprayed over makeup. So this works both ways. Let's talk about the smell. Oh, the smell is pretty good. It's kind of herbal. Like, naturally the products, you know, that are completely herbal, it smells completely like that. And if I feel it, like, you know, have you smelled the Multani Mitti of Patanjali, like soap? It smells something like that. If you haven't, like, you should. It's actually heavenly. So moving on to the next. We have this Saffron Radiance Face Cream, and it is by the Nature's Company. This is a luxurious age-defying formula, promotes natural fairness and youthful radiance by diminishing age spots and keeping fine lines at bay. Smooth a small amount over clear toned skin as needed using gentle upward strokes and see it take years off your face. Ooh! See this? It's a white liquidy kind of, you know, thing, and it's actually very creamy. I'm taking a little bit and just using it on my hand. It doesn't smell much. It's a very mild smell and smells more like sandalwood and saffron mixed together. But it's pretty good. It is very moisturizing and doesn't, you know, it's not hard to blend. It blends in perfectly. So next we have this natural bath and body mist. So I had an option to choose out of 4 products. I could choose 2 which I liked personally. So I chose a body mist and a face pack. So I've shown the face pack already. This, my friend, is the mist. It's a pretty pink, and as you know, I love pink. Who doesn't love pink? So this is a pretty big bottle, as you can see, and it's Wild Wonder. It's actually good for the wild child in you. So talking about the smell, it's pretty good. Let's see. I love the smell. It's actually pretty good, like the wild smell. I like perfumes which have, you know, a type of a nature smell, a wild smell, which stay longer on your body, because they actually stay longer on your body because they've got the wild smell in themselves, I guess. So this was it for the Glamego box, which it had. So coming to the end of the video, I would just like to request that those of you who have been thinking about getting the Glamego box and still don't know that whether you should or not, I personally give you a thumbs up for it, and you should really try. You know, you should really try out the products, the things, and the best part is that they are herbal. Don't be scared that if I use these products, will I get acne, or will I get this or that, or I have a sensitive skin. These are all herbal products, so choose wisely and use them when you get them. So I hope you like this video. Like and comment and share this video with your friends and family, and tell them to buy this Glamego subscription box because it's worth it. And do subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so that you never miss our updates. And I'm Aishwarya signing off right now. Bye.